Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome if you're new here, and I'm so happy to be back with a new video and to be unboxing this new to me item together with you. You guys know what is in this box from the video thumbnail. I know I'm a little late to the Palmspringsmini game, but nevertheless I am so glad that I finally added this piece into my collection. Unbox it. Here you go. Meet my new baby in my collection. Here is the Palmspringsmini from Louis Vuitton. So here is the dust bag, the box. Let's put it aside now. So here it is. Well, this is a pre-loved bag, and I got it from a reseller from Japan. And as you all know, all the Louis Vuitton bag from the store now comes with a microchip. But I wanted my bag to come with the date code, hence I decided to get this pre-love. So let's check it out. So when I was researching and looking for this bag, the condition of this piece was described as almost brand new, and it was kept unused by the previous owner. So now join me and check out if the condition matches its description. Here we go. Here are the care card and the straps. And there's another card in here. I believe this is the gift card. Let's take a look at the strap first. So this is the two-part strap, and there is two pieces of it. Here are the engraving. Alright, let's move on to the bag itself. No scarf edges. Here is the internal pocket right here, and the external pocket over here. And there's definitely no order. Well, I'm glad to report that I'm happy with the condition of this bag. It is not disappointing at all. Now, I'm a bit concerned of this because most of the reviews that I watched on YouTube mentioned that this little pocket here can be a challenge to use. We will see how it goes. In this video, I plan to share with you my initial thoughts on this bag. My first impression, what can I fit in here, or how do I incorporate it into my daily life. And towards the end of the video, I will also share some mod shots. Still stay tuned. So right now I'm going to see how this little piece will perform as my daily bag. So I'm going to transfer what I carry with me on a daily basis from this bag into the Palmspringsmini. Let me first show you what I usually have with me. Here is my key clay, where I keep a key fob in here, and the mini pochette, which I use as a catch-all. Then my wallet, and I use the Chanel's large size card holder as my wallet. This is not the regular card holder. and this is a little bit longer. Packet of wipes. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, bottle of hand sanitizer. You can't really leave our home without this nowadays, can we? And then I have this phone. I'm recording with my phone right now, so this is a spare phone that I have. So it will represents the phone that I usually carry with me. And usually I always carry a bottle of water with me, and I like to use this bottle from Muji. It's about this size, and I don't have the actual bottle that I usually use with me right now, so I will use another bottle of the similar size. Okay, but it has the opening like this. It's from Muji, and I really like using it because it fits in most of my medium size and small size bags. So here it is. Now let's try to fit all this in here. Alright, as for now, I think it fits everything except for the key clay, which holds my key fob. But I think I want to try to fit the key fob into the smallest pocket right here. I think it's a little bit snug right now because of that the bag is all filled up right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of the items so that I can find a way through pocket here. Let's see. Oh, it fits perfectly. My concern is addressed because I'm so happy that I found a purpose for this pocket. It's not too bad after all. So let's put back the rest of the things in here. I think this works perfectly for me, as usually this is about all I need and usually carry with me every day. Being a daily bag, I believe this is also suitable for travel as well, because the material is, I think it's really durable, and because the straps is not in the usual untreated vachetta, it's in a black leather, treated leather. So it's you can use it. It's really carefree, and I like it that way. I think this bag can withstand a lot of types of weather, especially rainy season. Now, I would like to share a few of my initial thoughts on this bag. There are a few things that I wish could have been designed differently. The first being the internal pocket. You can see now it's fully loaded and it's pretty filled up. So having the current internal pocket designed and placed right at the back of the bag, so it's really hard to reach for. Hence, I wish there is another pocket here, or this pocket here is placed on this side instead of the back. Secondly, if only there is an external pocket at the back of the bag right here. I believe it would come in really handy for little things such as a parking ticket or some loose change, or just about anything that you would like to reach out for more often. Right here, it'll be so much easier to use. And thirdly, the external pocket. I wish it could have been done in a different way, maybe a bigger opening, so that it's easier to reach out for. Although right now I'm happy that I found a purpose for this, that I can keep the key fob in here. But if only it could have been done differently, it would be really perfect. And lastly, I wish there is a longer handle here so that we can transfer this bag into a top handle bag. But I found a way to do that. by attaching this gold chain that I bought from Next Fashion Shop here, right here, and you can instantly transfer this bag and transform this bag into a top handle bag. Stay tuned till the end where I share some mod shots on how I like to use this bag. If you are a Palmspringsmini owner and you have any thoughts about this bag to share with me, I'll be so delighted to hear from you. And if you have anything to share with me about any bags at all, please do leave a comment below. And if you like this video, do remember to check out the rest of my videos in my description box. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be so happy to have you come over to my Instagram and say hello. Till the next video, stay beautiful, take care, and have a really nice day. Bye-bye!